Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for tuning in to the Chris Sells Cars YouTube channel. I promised you I was going to keep digging, and let me tell you, I am at Central Atlantic Toyota. Very, very thrilled because I found the 2025 completely redesigned 4Runner TRD Pro in the black. All right, this is the brand new highly anticipated redesigned 4Runner 2025 TRD Pro in black. And this one has the beefy TRD suspension in there. Look at that. This thing will go anywhere. And it has your blacked out alloy wheels with the TRD center cap performance. It has the beefy fender flares right there. It has your Rigid Industries icicle style LED fog lights, LED TRD Pro headlights right there. It also has the front light bar. Look at that. It has the front parking sensors. It also has the LED light bar for your off-road use. It has a radar behind this panel, flat panel, that co-witnesses with a tiny camera at the top of the windscreen to form your lane tracing assist function. It has your 360 bird's eye view camera right there, the Toyota Heritage grille, the faux air intake system hood scoop on the front there. Most people know it's not functional. You come over here, you have your skid plate right there. There goes your skid plate, the TRD skid plate, as well as the tow hooks, recovery hooks right there. Come over here, you see your TRD Pro badging, the folding power mirrors with the blind spot, the 360 bird's eye view camera right there, blinking lane change indicators. This one comes with the Predator steps on the sides there. You can see those tires as I mentioned. Look on the inside here, and you have heated and perforated leather. You also have the moonroof. You have your 360 bird's eye view, your leather wrapped control handles, your all-wheel drive settings, heated and cooled seats, 14-inch touchscreen, as well as your JBL Flex speaker. There goes your JBL Flex speaker. This one has your roof rack right there. So all you have to do is put the crossbars on there. You can see the moonroof. Come over here and look in the back here. You have your textured rear bumper protector. You have the beefy 4Runner signature mud flaps on there, your back parking sensors, your trailer hitch with the trailer hitch cover. You can see the integrated harness right there, your spare tire there. You also have your TRD Pro badging right there, and you have your backup camera plus your external mounted 360 bird's eye view camera there. You can see the iForce Max badging on this vehicle. And this, again, is the TRD Pro, the redesigned 4Runner for 2025. And this is the TRD Pro. If you'd like this in your driveway, you want to call Chris O'Gene as soon as possible at 202-607-9517. Right beside it is one of the gray, this is called the Underground, and this is the brand new redesigned Land Cruiser. All right, this is the Land Cruiser, the upgraded edition. This is not the 1958. This is the upgraded Underground Land Cruiser with the cube style LED projector headlights. You have your Rigid Industries fog lights on this one. You have your air channel displacement system there, front parking sensors. You have your flat radar panel, 360 bird's eye view camera right there. You have your skid plate right there. Skid plate right there. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the Underground on the 2025 redesigned Land Cruiser. This is the Land Cruiser Classic, not the 1958. Come over here, you can see the dark gray alloy wheels with the Yokohama all-weather tires. You can see the beefy mud guards, very beefy platform style running boards. You can see the 360 bird's eye view camera on the very, very large side mirrors, blinking lane change indicators. This one has the heads up display. You can see it right there. And this one also has the remote access function, keyless remote entry, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors. You have your roof rack system, moon roof right there. And then you come over here, you can see again, very, very beefy. You can see the rear parking sensors, Land Cruiser. You have the pop-up hatch in the back there. You can see iForce Max right there. That shows you that this is a hybrid SUV. You can see the rear parking sensors and then the hitch cover. If you'd like this in your driveway, you want to call Chris O'Gene as soon as possible at 202-607-9517. And this is the brand new redesigned Toyota Land Cruiser iForce Max loaded edition in the deep gray. All right, so this is underground, and you can call Chris O'Gene as soon as possible at 202-607-9517. I'm reporting from Toyota USA, Central Atlantic Toyota region up in Glen Burnie, Maryland, and I'm so delighted. Have a fantastic day.